Richard is already starting to tear this thing down. It needs a lot of work, so we're going to start on this one first. The motor's locked up. We got another motor for it. It definitely needs at least a back tire because that one is bald. The brakes do not work at all, and the funny part about this thing is that they have got a brake lever over here hooked up to the throttle of the carburetor, which thankfully it doesn't work. Okay, that's exactly what you want to be doing in a panic situation, trying to grab the brakes and just giving it more throttle.